Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy 2-ingredient chocolate truffles. You can see they make a decadent dark chocolate dessert that are super easy to make, and yes, there's only 2 ingredients in them, and I've written a blog post down below which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of ideas if you want to go beyond the 2 ingredients. There's loads of other inclusions that you can add in, but you really just need 2 ingredients to make this lovely decadent sweet treat. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make these easy 2-ingredient chocolate truffles. So these are the only 2 ingredients that I'm going to be using. Chocolate, I'm using 2 blocks of the 70% dark chocolate, which comes from Aldi. This one's actually dairy free. You can have this as a dairy free treat. Just make sure that the chocolate you use is dairy free, which this one is. And coconut milk. I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, and then just save the rest of the coconut milk for using in smoothies, in hot chocolate, in curries and soups, however you like to have coconut milk. You can also get those smallest tins. The smaller tins you can use instead, even if it's plus minus 10 mils, it doesn't really matter. It'll be fine. But I'm going to now get on and seed my chocolate first. I'm just going to chop it all up and get it into a bowl. So I've very roughly broken up all of the chocolate and popped it in a bowl. It is 250 grams of chocolate, which is about 8.8 ounces. So now it's ready to go, and we'll see to our coconut milk. So I opened my can of coconut milk, given it a good mix, and poured out 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, and now we're going to pop it onto the stove top over medium to high heat until it comes to the bubble. So yeah, just heat the coconut milk, give it a good regular stir, just help any of those bigger lumps of coconut milk dissolve, and just keep a close watch on it, and as soon as it comes up to simmer, we take it off the heat. It's barely been a couple of minutes and all those bigger lumps of coconut milk have dissolved. It's difficult to see, but it's pretty much up to simmer, so we'll take it off the heat now. So now I'm back at my bowl of chocolate. This is where we have the chocolate chopped. So as soon as the coconut milk has heated, we just pour it straight over. So just allow the chocolate to sit for a minute or 2, which I've done, to just allow it to soften a bit, and then get to work stirring your lovely mixture together. It may look really liquidy at first, but just keep stirring, give it some time, and you'll see soon you'll have a pool of chocolate. Just like that. Look at that beautiful truffle mixture. Now what we're going to do is just allow this to cool to room temperature. It's still quite warm. Once it's at room temperature, we'll pour it out into our container. The truffle mixture is now at room temperature, so I'm just going to grab out a container and we'll just pour the mixture in. And then just pop it into the fridge for a few hours to set, and I'll show you once it's done. So my truffles have been in the fridge overnight, and you've kind of just got one enormous truffle. Doesn't want to focus. You've got one beautiful enormous truffle that you can then just chop into bite-sized pieces, and you can cut them really as small or as big as you like. Oh, it's so lovely and chocolatey. You can see I very roughly chopped them. Some are bigger, some are smaller, and if you take a look at one of these beautiful truffles, it's just so much less mess than rolling out truffles, and you can really just get any size you like, and it just makes such an incredible decadent sweet treat that has only 2 ingredients, as you saw. But that is the video for today for how to make this really easy 2-ingredient chocolate truffles. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.